Hello everyone. So now in this video, we will explore more things about the project browser, right? So here you can see this one is our project browser. So now let me click on this view all. So I will just right click here on the view all, right? Then this kind of interface or we can say tab will open up. Then I will just click on this browser organization, and from here you can see in the view you can see currently all is tick, right? So when you just tick the all, then you don't have this option edit, rename and delete, uh, because this is default one, and we cannot do anything like edit, rename and delete, right? So if I just select this discipline, then you have the option edit and rename. Again, this one is a default one. Then we cannot just delete this basically the discipline and this option, right? If we just make the new one, then then we can have this option, this delete one also, right? So as of now, just first let me show you this discipline. What I'm trying to show you, I will just select this discipline and just click on here on the edit, right? See, and first I just wanted to show you how it is working basically this project browser, how it is behaving, why it is behaving in this manner, right? So for that, currently you can see this is filtered by none, right? Uh, you can see we have this many numbers of list, and let's assume if we have many more numbers of the here levels and many more numbers of elevation views, then how if we have to find anything, and so how we can just organize our browser. So for that, you can see here is filtered by, currently this one is this is none. So if I just click here, filtered by basically I just wanted to discipline, right? I will just click OK. If I just click OK and apply, so here you can see the, if I just click OK, then I just don't have the plus sign here. It is just filtered by discipline only. So for that, if I just come here again, and here you can see this one is equal to. So here I have to just put filtered by discipline and here equal to architect. So if I just now click OK, and if I just click on the apply button, then now you can see here is a plus sign. So if I just click here, so it is showing me, see, if I just expand selected, and here you can see the in the architect you have this many number of options. You can just further basically you can just further filter it. If you just wanted to make it more filter, if you see, if you just notice here again more numbers of basically lists are here, and you just wanted to again filter it, you can just make it from here. Now I just wanted to filter with family. What is family? This structure, floor plan, ceiling plan, these are the basically families, right? So I just wanted to families, family, this one is a family, and I just wanted to make it with family and type. So I just click here, family and type, and it is equal to ceiling plan, elevation plan, floor plan, and so I will just click here, and here you can see the here is a ceiling plan, elevation plan, floor plan, and structure plan. So from here I can just select anyone. So let me just select the this floor plan. So I will just click here on the floor plan and just click on the OK, and I will just click on the apply here, right? I will just click on the apply, and now just let me click on the OK. So you can see we have just filtered the view uh, by discipline, and in the discipline uh, we have just selected the architect, and further we have just filtered by family and types, right? So in this way you can just use the filter option.